Hello students, so let us start with a fresh topic, that is field of vision of a fish. So here in a diagram, a fish inside a pot, ठीक है, it does not see the outside world through the entire surface of this water. The light from outside can reach the fish only through this circular patch. Got my point, student? Which forms a cone. This is the shape of cone, which forms a cone of half angle, right, which is equal to the critical angle. This half angle which is equal to the critical angle. So let us take this radius, this distance having radius r, this distance is d, refractive index mu, then depth of the fish is d, let us depth of the fish d. Okay, so we can say that the r that will be equivalent to r that will be equivalent to, this is called the half angle. Okay, r will be equivalent to d tan of critical angle. Got my point, beta? This is the critical angle, IC, or we can say C. This is the critical angle. So according to this triangle, tan theta is equal to perpendicular, this is the perpendicular, divided by base. Base is this, so perpendicular is r and base is d, so r is equal to d tan c, or we can say d sin c divided by cos of c, which will be equivalent to d sin c, and we know the formula of cos is under of 1 minus sin square c. So from here also sine of critical angle, that must be equal to 1 upon refractive index, as we have already done in the previous lectures. So the value of r will become d sin c is 1 by mu divided by under of 1 minus 1 by mu square. So after solving this equation, we will get d divided by under of mu square minus 1 divided by mu square. When mu square will come out in terms of mu will cancel out. So this is your final result. This is the radius r. This is your result, important result. Clear, beta? Beta, this is the condition when the light comes from outside. Similarly, if a source of light is kept in a pond, okay, its light will come out only through a circular patch or circular region. For any incident angle I that is greater than critical angle, the light will totally internally reflected back into the water, as we have already done in the total internal reflection, making corresponding on the surface of water appears dark. That's why the pond water sometimes appears dark. Why? Because of total internal reflection. This is again 1 mark question. Okay, student, and this is important topic for numerical point of view also. So student, here is a question that is from IIT. Okay, that is from IIT. A point source of light S is placed at the bottom of a vessel containing a liquid of refractive index 5 upon 3. A person is viewing the source from the above surface. There is an opaque disc of radius 1 cm floating on the surface. As we have already done in the previous question, there is an opaque disc. Okay. The center O of the disc lies vertically above the source S. The liquid from the vessel is gradually drained out through the top. What is the maximum height of the source of which the source cannot seen at all? Okay, student. So it means if a person cannot seen the object at all, it means there is total internal reflection. As we know, as we have already done in the previous case, if incident angle is greater than critical angle, then there will be a total internal reflection, which means there corresponds a region on the surface of water which appears dark. Okay, this is the region. It means if angle is greater than critical angle, then a person cannot seen at all. So as we know the formula is r is equal to d upon under of mu square minus 1. So this will help us out to solve the typical problem in a very easy manner, this formula. Okay, now what is the value of r? Here the value of r is 1 centimeter. Okay, refractive index is 5 by 3, so we have to calculate the value of d. So d must be equivalent to r into mu square minus 1. The value of r is 1 centimeter divided by, under root of mu is 5 by 3 ka whole square minus 1. On solving this equation, we will get 5 by 3 ka square means 25 by 9, 25 minus 16 by 9, 16 by 9 means 4 by 3. 4 by 3 means 1.33 centimeter. This is how we can calculate this typical problem in a very easy manner if we know this formula. Okay, student. So try this type of questions by applying this formula, this particular formula. Okay, student. Students, sometime examiner also ask you calculate the value of area of the patch. So what is the area of patch? This is the patch. So this patch is in the form of circular shape. So the formula of area of circle is pi r square. As we know the value of r, if you don't know the value of r, you can easily calculate the value of r. So the value of r, so area is pi r square. So now you have to put the value 22 by 7. The radius is 1 centimeter. So the value is 22 by 7 centimeter square. This is area of patch. Okay, student. So try this type of questions more and more, because this type of questions are important one. Okay, student.